Santa Park, Saddles and Club, Leisure Park here in Naik, Cavite sa aksyon.
Patuk.
Away they go. Kumpirmado from the outside, rushing up his best strike. Perles on the further outside by the Rally Springs. Carlo Pochi racing second last, while Royal Friend is the early trailer. The favorite, Best Strike, leads by half a length, being hounded by Fearless from the outside. Running in third, Prince Carlo, Confirmado, and Pochi racing in fifth, and Royal Friend is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, Fearless, Prince Carlo, and Confirmado getting closer in third. Pochi also there, while entry number 2, Best Strike, is now running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 450, Fearless, Confirmado, and Pochi on the further outside, Prince Carlo. Royal Friend, Best Strike now running at the tail of the field as they race the final corner. Confirmado running by the Rally Fearless, and Pochi on the further outside, but still Confirmado leads by 2, followed by Fearless, and Pochi racing in third, and in the last 100, itself Confirmado, followed by Fearless, and finally Confirmado. Fearless, Pochi, Prince Carlo, Royal Friend.
Winner take all dyan, natira 80,789. Preba natin, Ernie.
Quarter terms